how to use the back camera in Omegle on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the back camera in Omegle on iPhone. First of all, open up the settings in your phone. Then, scroll down in settings and find the Safari option here. Now tap on the Safari option from settings. After that, scroll down in Safari and choose the microphone option from here. Then choose to allow the access of the microphone. Now, get back and click on the camera option. Then choose to allow the camera access from here. So that is how you can use the back camera in Omegle on iPhone. This way, you will be able to switch cameras from front to back. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.